So the Andrew Goodman Foundation is also focused on the leaders of tomorrow by getting involved with college students right now, because of course Andrew Goodman himself was a 20-year-old college student when he went down to Mississippi. So we have a program where we have ambassadors, kids that are on campus right now. We had 11 last year. We're hoping to have 30 this year. We work with national partners such as Rock the Vote, and we're trying to give these kids a voice. They are our voice on college campuses to stand up and talk to the kids that they go to school with. Our program is called Vote Everywhere, and it is about voter registration and voting and civic engagement, but it's not just about going and voting when you go on election day. It's about voting every day. It's about voting with your feet when you decide to go to a certain park. It's about voting with your pocketbook when you decide to go and watch a certain movie versus another one. It's about voting with your voice by standing up and talking about what you believe in. And so we need people to think about all these decisions that you're making all the time are really important and they add up. You vote everywhere, every day.